Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are updating my coffee bar, and so I did it over like twice, and I'm just gonna walk you guys through a little bit of what I did and then redid and then what I ended up loving in the end. So if you want to see what happened to my coffee bar and how it looks for the spring, hang around for the rest of this video. So I knew I wanted to make my coffee bar a little bit more springy, and I knew I absolutely had to include my new pink coffee mugs. If you checked out one of my spring hauls, you would have seen them and you'd be swooning over them too. So I started to set up my coffee bar as usual, wiping down the surface and just removing everything so I could start over with a sort of clean slate. After putting down everything and really playing around with some new spring decor like flowers and things like that, I took a step back, started to use my coffee bar, and realized I wasn't really in love with the way it was looking. So later on in the day, when I went for my second cup of coffee, I decided to redo the whole thing, and I absolutely love the way it looks now. I decided to remove my jar of marshmallows because I'm using them a lot less because I'm not making as much hot chocolate now. And I decided to bring down some of my plates that I use a lot when it comes to my breakfast routine. I figured it's basically part of my coffee routine, so it might as well live in my coffee bar. And then I just kind of moved around some of the elements, and voila, I am now loving my new spring coffee bar. I also decided to tone down a little bit of the decor, but you will see them elsewhere, so stand by for that. But yeah, I hope you guys are loving my new spring coffee bar as much as I am. I didn't do too much, but it was just enough to take it into the new season with a little bit of a pare down in terms of the decor, but some new friends came to the party, like the mugs, my new Hello tea towel, my new straws, and new flowers. Hope you enjoy. If this is your first time hanging out with me, I hope you subscribe so I can see you again. And if you got inspired a little bit by this, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!